Okay, everybody, this is the house that they use to
That's the stage, the wooden.
record Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the movie, and also Psycho. They used it in Halloween. It's pretty interesting. You get to eat. We ate right there where those windows are at. It's pretty neat.
That is. It looks
Yeah,
like
this is a really nice view. You can sit outside on the patio, go inside and eat. You get to go upstairs. It's pretty neat. It's beautiful here. And then they have this bed and breakfast inn right here where you can stay, right? It looks really nice.
Yeah, they
Here, I'll record. Oh, and then they have like this caboose over there. Cabooses. It's pretty neat here. Okay, this is the real house of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre and Psycho. And what was the other movie? They filmed a couple movies. Psycho, Halloween, and Chainsaw Massacre.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Hold on to her shoulder.
I'm going to.
Okay.
I'm going to.
So this house.
Okay. And we're going to take it nice and easy.
This is the real house that they used for the movie.
Right here.
And then you go down the staircase. Right there. Okay, I even got to sign your book. There it is. Silly Mary from Bernie, Texas.
Whoa.
Yeah, this place is creeps. You gotta be very careful.
Are these actually set pieces?
I don't know. They might be. We need to ask, but this is the real house though that they used to film.
According to the internet, they use this house for a scene for Halloween.
Halloween and Psycho. And it's a restaurant, so we're gonna eat downstairs. I did. I signed it, Silly Mary.
Y'all take pictures of it.
I took a picture. The stairs are kind of weird. Take it all the way. Yeah. Back here are the bathrooms. Yeah. Stained glass. And then you eat right there in the restaurant.